Magnus on the go, around the world I roam. In cities I explore, where the wild winds blow. Adventures wait at every corner that I know. New cultures calling, this is Magnus on the go. Magnus on the go, around the world I roam. In cities I explore, where the wild winds blow. Adventures wait in every corner that I know. New cultures calling, this is Magnus on the go.
Buenos dias, mi amigos y amigas, and welcome to Magnus on the Go. Oh, no, gracias. Oh, cerca. I've been in Mexico, and now I'm in Dominican Republic, in a town called Cabarete, which is in the north of Dominican Republic, 150 kilometers from the capital, Santo Domingo. Dominican Republic, it's an island in the Caribbean, and it shares the island with Haiti, just so you know. And I'm on the go, on the go, on the go, on the go. It's 5 minutes to 9. For those who follow me, you remember that I've been talking about a hike. We had to be like minimum 4 people to do the hike to a waterfall in the rainforest. Just a couple of days ago, it was like, oh, so we are 4, so the hike will be. But then, yesterday night, like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the evening, he said, okay, we're going to do the hike, but he is not going to do it. The host, the usual guide, a friend of his, or his companion is going to do it. And that is kind of a bummer, because all the reviews and stuff have said that this guy is very, very good, but I want to do the hike. But there was one person who cancelled. And I was like, okay, so is he gonna cancel the whole hike now? But no, he hasn't done that. And this morning it's been a lot of conversation with the other people that's coming from Sosua, because they were gonna meet at Belgian Coffee, and they were there to have some coffee, but the coffee place was closed, so they went to another place. This is where I took out my money. So here's the Belgian coffee house. I'm gonna stay here, and I'm gonna meet Winton here, and then we're gonna pick up the others. Yes, here you see Belgian bakery, but it's closed. And maybe this is something to do with Semana Santa. Oh, Winton?
Yes.
Oh, my man.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good?
Are you?
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah.
Go in the front.
Okay. And now we're gonna pick up the other 2 at the... The other 3? Okay. So we're here, and it's a place called Camú, I think. We're going in the water, so I changed to my water shoes, but I do have my hiking shoes with me, if I can. This is the group. It's Family 3 from US. I thought we were going to be in the national park, just in Cabarete, but we're sort of between Sosua and Puerto Plata, close to Puerto Plata. So it was like 35 minutes of traveling in the car. And yeah, Winton is the guide. Feels awesome. And we're off into the jungle of the rainforest of Dominican Republic. Now we're going down.
What's the snakes in front?
Okay.
What sort of snakes?
Yeah, but you know, you want to go to Sulaga.
didn't have my glasses on, so I thought it was a really, really big branch. What do you say? Like but it's the city's drinking water. It looks like a, coming from the tree. But it's beautiful here. And do you see the color of the water? So here we have a tree that is 250 years old. So why don't you come here if you want to feel young? I don't know if it works. And there's a nest here with eggs. Did you see the eggs? Ah, okay. We're not gonna dig for them.
Here comes Mom.
Exactly. Maybe you don't see, but it's beautiful everywhere. So we're going back and forth in the stream here all the time. The trail leads us. And that's actually very nice to just cool down your feet. The picture here, it doesn't seem like it doesn't do it justice, because do you see that, like, it's so beige and green and the water is so clean? Is it stuck?
Ah, it's a jaiba. That is a muerta.
Oh, it's dead.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. It's for azúcar.
So not azúcar.
This is medicina natural.
He's getting another one. You're Jungle George now.
Yeah. This is very good for
We don't want to carry you out of here.
Take more. Oh,
Yeah. That's got some serious bite.
oh my God.
That was me. Crumbled.
Oh,
That is very...
sour.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's good for you. So it's good for your stomach. Is it good for something else?
Ya pues son tirados completo azúcar.
Oh.
It's refreshing.
This is medicine natural.
Oh.
Somebody people when you have azúcar coming
You could just
here,
take the juice.
buy so many for azúcar every day. You say like that.
Really?
This is the azúcar.
You should take this in the morning because you wake up. Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's sort of like a mix
Medicine.
between
Little bit of medicine.
lime and lemon.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's okay.
No, I think
Right.
we're good.
No?
It's not bad. I don't have another one.
Oh, so, yeah,
I actually like it.
she's crazy. But I mean, she's from Australia originally, so, what do you do? I mean, this you could usually use this in cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta choose. Yes.
You put it in a salsa,
Choose
Yeah, perfect.
everything what you want.
That's good.
in a margarita.
Yes.
Mm.
No, I love my.
We saw a small tree of cacao yesterday, but this is a bigger tree. And where is the fruit? Where did I see it? Oh, you see it there. So it's almost ready for harvesting. Here you have small ones.
Okay, so if you get lost,
Oh, and they make you.
It's fantastic. Love this.
You take it with one like that. I saw you. Oh. Yes, take it one.
We're here, guys. The waterfall. Kind of amazing, isn't it? time to go in, right? Yeah, I think it's time. I'll take this one with me. Is this the best way in? Oh, hello. Hi, little lizard. Okay, enough of you. We're going in. Like, well, there's stones and there's a branch, and it's oh, yeah, it's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit like oh, cold, but I don't care. Okay, let's. Oh. So, people of the universe, I'm standing in a cave. I'm gonna jump there. So be prepared. One, two, three. Say hi. Hola. Ah. No, mal. No. Está muy bien. Well, okay, people. I live in dangerous territory because now I'm in the water with my phone. It's fun and it's adventurous. Okay, you take a look at this. You have just seen it already, and you're sort of fed up with it. Well, but I'm not fed up. This is I love waterfalls. This is amazing, and it's so totally worth it to just this little group here, and we're alone, and you have this all by yourself. Compare this to yesterday. where they were like, oh, don't get me wrong, I had a lot of fun, but you feel much more in contact with nature like this. And you can also take your time. I'm getting happy thoughts. I'm getting emotional. So yes, look away, please, and just look at this. Marvelous. Look at the fish. Where are they? Oh! He's feeding them or hunting them, I don't know. Oh yeah, he's feeding them. Oh, is this what we ate? The sour, they like that?
I don't know.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. Yeah, but after they took a bite, they did like this. Too sour. This is the latest beauty treatment of Santo Domingo. No, Dominican Republic. We paid thousands of dollars for this, but we have it here, just in a little clay kind of lump or something. And you just do like this, and you see, I'm younger than him. I look younger. And now I'm set, and I'm just gonna wash this off. If it's the rain, sort of a lot of rain, and well, there also actually waterfall. Well, it's sipping here. You see a little bit. So then it's actually coming down there and also there. So then all of this is sort of underwater almost. So then you're over there, and you swim. So now it's low. And yeah, we're taking off. The expedition has come to an end. No, not. We're going back as well. Oh yeah, I have my stick. It is actually very nice to have a stick. Also, I mean, it's for balance and yeah, everything. And I put on my ordinary shoes, not the swim, because we did go into the water a little bit, but not so much. And they are uncomfortable to walk on stones. So I have this, and they're dirty, so you need to put them in water. Bye bye. So now we're off, and we thank you. It's been a lovely, it's a perfect, nice walk. So here we are. At home, hiking in the forest, but I mean, it's a thing with rainforest, I think, and the water and stuff, but it's so strange. So I don't do this at home. I don't go out in the forest, but I really love it, and I do it all the time when I'm abroad, like in Southeast Asia and here. But I think it's also something to do with that it's, you know, it's warm. The temperature here is now like perfect. It's not too hot, but it's warm. And in Sweden it's mostly like not warm. So maybe that's why. And also the nature is like, yeah. Correct me if I'm wrong, people. Correct me if I'm wrong. Are there beautiful places in Sweden where you can hike? Where can I hike in Sweden? Please tell me. I don't know if I've seen, this is actually pineapple. I don't think I've seen it grow like this. And 2 months from now, it's very, very big. So then you just chop it off and then it reproduces. So there you have a tiny pineapple. Huh. What do you know? What do you know? Where are they? Oh, yeah, there they are. Yeah, I stopped and oh yeah, there they are. They're walking there, so they're quite far away from me now. But I wanted to take, yeah, you know, take a picture. So they're up there. Do you see them? No, you hear them. So we're going up like that. Oh, look at this. You don't want to fall in. Well, it's only water. It's only water, people. Oh, look at that. It's a fantastic day if you haven't noticed. Oh, muddy. Oh, meeting people. Oh, hi, hola.
Sí, this is the guy Jose.
Ah, José, oh, ¿cómo estás? Sí. ¿De la casada? Ajá. Bien. Adiós. Well, yeah, it looks actually, yeah, it is steep. So we're going up. A little bit more dry now. That's nice. Not so slippery. And people, yes, we are back to the car. And this was like a fantastic. And it was like 1 hour of walking there and 1 hour of walking back. It really didn't feel like that. But you're sort of like caught up in looking at all the beautiful things and also looking on the ground so you don't do a misstep or something. Yeah, fantastic. Fantastic. So, people, we're on our way back to Cabarete. I got dropped off at La Rosa, so I because I'm gonna stay here one more day. So I needed some bread for tomorrow morning because tomorrow morning is gonna be a slow morning. So I want some breakfast at home. I got a little water in my phone, and now the battery is almost run down, so I had to load it, charge it, but because of the water you can't charge it. And I'm very happy that this has happened to me before. The first time it happened, I was like, can I ever charge it again, or will it always be like this? But it just had to dry out, and then it worked. So this is the same thing, and I have very little battery left. I could prolong my stay here in Cabarete, so I've done that one day, and I have to pay him cash. And the thing is, I really don't know if I have enough cash at home or if I have to take out more money. Or maybe I should try it here and not go to that other stuff. I think it's better the other place because it is attached to a bank. So if something happens, then I can go inside the bank and get it fixed. That is actually the place where the pickup was this morning. So going to the bakery place again. Probably gonna do a hotel here or something. hour. This is the place where I took out money. And let's see if the Belgian bakery is open now. No, maybe it's still closed. What is today? It's Tuesday. No sign why it's closed. Maybe it's closed forever. It looks very, very nice, but it also looks a little bit like it's on this parking lot. They try to make it cozy, which it is in a way, but it's still at a parking lot. Oh well. Okay, my plans for now, I'm going home, and hopefully I can text my host and say that I'm home, because I want to pay him for the extra day. And after that I can do whatever I want, and I'm not gonna do anything tomorrow. It's gonna be a beach day. Why did they? Is it there for the stove? No, it can't be. I don't know. Gracias. What I have to do is figure out where to go after this. So now I have tomorrow, and then I'm gonna move somewhere. I was moving because I thought that I couldn't do like tours and stuff from here, but now it seems like it's only Eric's tours or whatever he was calling, that maybe he is closed, but all the other people have said no, it's gonna be tours like usual. So I could actually stay here, or if I should go to Puerto Plata. So you see, I have options, and I have to decide. I've been talking about, you know, when people are, how is it to travel alone? And I'm totally for it. I love it. I can also travel with my friends, which also is very nice. But the only time when I really feel like it would be really nice to have somebody to travel with is when you have too much options and you really don't know what you want. And I don't really have a direction to, oh yeah, I want to do that. Because now I feel like, okay, I could stay in Cabarete and do tours from here. Or I could go to Puerto Plata. So it's sort of like, it doesn't matter. So in this case, it would be like, oh, if I had a friend, like I said, oh, but I feel like we're going to do that. And then it's easier to decide. Apparently, all the Dominican Republic people, people, I mean, everybody has Easter, so they go on vacation. So it's gonna be harder to find accommodation, because the Dominic people is also out traveling a lot during this weekend. I could wait until tomorrow to find a hotel, but I think it would be good if I find it today. I have to let it cook in my head a little bit. I'm going back home, and I'm looking forward to a cold beer, actually. A cold beer up on the rooftop. Okay, people, I'm home. And hello, cat. Hi. Hi, what do you want? Yeah. You want love, don't you? Well, yes, should I, yes. Do you like that? Oh, okay, but not your claws on me. Did I say I'm not a cats person? Okay, where was I? Yes. Okay, yeah. I'm going to prolong my stay here, so I was going to meet Birkan today and pay for that extra day. So I had to text him, but yeah, it was difficult, and the phone stopped working. I actually run out of battery, so I was like, oh no, but I need to text Birkan to say that I'm home and now I can pay it for the extra day, because I was supposed to leave tomorrow, but now I've done 2 excursions, yesterday and today, and if I can stay here for 1 more day, that would be great. So tomorrow I have like a relaxing day, which is really good. And then the problem was, where do I go from here? So I have 3 days at another place before I go to Santo Domingo, the capital. And I was like, should I get another place here? in Cabarete? Should I go to another place? The Easter is coming. Maybe it's better to go to a bigger city. That means going to Puerto Plata. But now when I met Birken, yeah, when I came here and after like 1 hour I could text him and it started to charge. So I just met him and I paid, and now he said I could actually stay here because the other person has cancelled. So I'm like, what the heck? So now I could stay here if I want to. But then there's the problem. If there's many things to do here, or if I don't want to have like 4 days of beach time. I could have some beach time, you know. But there are, of course, things you can do. And you could do the ATV. The guide from today, he said that, we can do the ATV. So he's gonna text me with the price. So that is one thing. I have to think. I thought I was done thinking and going to Puerto Plata, but now I don't know because I like it here. I like it here. Cheers. Yeah, right now I could use a friend here who said like, oh, but I want to do that. And then I don't have to make the decision, because right now I think that the decision to make is very hard. What I should do. But it's a luxury problem, so shut up, Magnus. People. The time is late. It's 9:15 or something, and I sort of haven't eaten today. Well, I have some sandwiches, but that's all. I will see if something is open, because I was thinking maybe I could take something on this street and not go into the beach and stuff. That was my first thought. My first thought was having a fine seafood dinner today, because originally it was supposed to be my last day, but now tomorrow is my last day. But now I just have to find something that works tonight. But it looks like it's a little bit open. Because this looks a little bit more like bars. I don't know if I've been out this late. People are having fun. Oh, live music? What the what? Okay. Oh, here they have. But I'm thinking about another place. Where's why? Oh, they take it. Okay, I go inside and look. It's a very like it's big here, but we'll see. Yes, I'm gonna eat here. I'm gonna take the fresh swai fillet with Thai curry and something else. So it's fish o'clock. People, look at this. Fantastic. I wanted rice, but they were out of rice. So this is steamed or vegetables. But look at that fillet. I don't know if it's banana leaf or something, but the knife and fork like this. Very nice. Let's taste the sauce. Oh yes. It's not that spicy, but it's very good. Is that like a Thai sauce? Well, creamy. Yeah. That's they're hot. Also very nice. I mean, it's carrots. Not so many like spices in it, but I mean, if you compare to Mexico, there was no salt or nothing like this. This is much better. And I think it is like a whole fillet, so I don't think I need to worry about bones, right? Yes, the flavors are there. It's timid. Yeah, this is very good. This is going up on the M scale, people. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah. I give this dish at Swai restaurant in Cabarete, Dominican Republic, 1 on the M scale. Very good. Here we have the restaurant Swai in Cabarete, Dominican Republic. And actually, the restaurant is not in the tourist area. So the tourist area is over there. And you have the big road here. This is the only traffic lights in Cabarete. So if you turn in here and you go on this road, and then you have the restaurant here on the right hand side. Maybe 100 meters or something like that. Nothing less, nothing more. And it was really, really good. Really, really good. So yeah, I recommend it. Now, it's time for me to go home. Well, thank you for another fantastic day. A fantastic hike to the waterfalls. I love waterfalls. I love. Tomorrow I plan to sleep as long as I want, and then I have a long breakfast, and then I'm probably going to the beach. So it's a beach day, it's a relaxing day, and I have to decide where I'm going next. I think I'm going to Puerto Plata, but you never know. There's not much hotels left, so yeah, we'll see about that. But thank you for today. Good night.